Welcome to WMW's weekly newscast, bringing you the global waste management headlines. Coming up, construction work begins on $80 million hog waste AD facility in Missouri. Sony to sell its recycled flame retardant plastic to outside manufacturers. Panasonic near-infrared technology sorts 3 types of plastics from shredded appliances. And an investment pitch for real-time landfill gas monitoring systems. Construction work has begun on an $80 million on-farm AD project in northern Missouri. The project will see the installation of impermeable synthetic covers on existing nutrient lagoons. The facility is being developed and constructed by Renewable Energy, or REA, in collaboration with Murphy Brown of Missouri. Bill Homan, Director of Compliance and Administration at Murphy Brown, explains more.
We're going to be producing a renewable energy from a product that in the past has been underutilized or perhaps even looked at as a waste product.
A unique partnership with Murphy Brown of Missouri will use AD technology to convert manure from nearly 2 million hogs to renewable natural gas. The $100 million project will move manure into covered lagoons.
We will use an impermeable cover to cover those lagoons, and basically they will start to act as digesters. And then as the nutrients are broken down by the digester, Renewable Alternative Energy will capture that gas, and then that gas can be further refined and used as compressed natural gas. It's going to make us better pig farmers. It's going to be good for our communities, good for our neighbors.
Sony is to begin selling its flame retardant recycled plastic outside of the group for the first time. The company explained that its surplus material is flame retardant recycled plastic comprising polycarbonates recycled from materials such as DVDs and light diffusing films used in LCD televisions. Scrap polycarbonate has traditionally been recycled by adding large amounts of new polycarbonate and around 15% of flame retardant additive. However, Sony explained that surplus incorporates its own unique sulfur-based flame retardant, which achieves the same effect with just 1% additive. The company first put surplus to practical use back in 2011, adopting the material in its Bravo series of LCD televisions, and has since spread its use to many more of its products. Sony now plans to offer the material to organisations outside of the Sony group. And Sony's not the only Japanese electronics firm that's been making waves in the world of recycling lately. Panasonic has developed a technology that simultaneously sorts and collects 3 types of plastic, PP, PS and ABS, from shredded electronic appliances at recycling centres. The company explained that in the past, shredded plastics from home appliances were typically disposed of as waste or used as a fuel. To address the issue, in 2010, Panasonic developed a near-infrared sorting system that made it possible to collect and recycle plastics from shredded appliances, as seen operating here. However, a reset operation was needed for each type of plastic, so the processing speed was not fast enough. According to Panasonic, its new system simultaneously sorts and collects 3 types of plastics with a high-precision airjet. The system is currently up and running at the Panasonic Eco Technology Center in Japan, but the company said that in the future it will be installed at its other recycling facilities. And finally, for any would-be dragons out there, Greg Schrin from Simplified Landfill Solutions has used the Stevens Institute of Technology 2014 Innovation Expo to make an elevator pitch for investment into the company's landfill gas well monitoring system.
We have been working on a system that will significantly increase landfill gas recovery capabilities. Typically, a landfill will utilize hundreds of gas extraction wells to essentially suck gas from garbage as it decomposes. Each one of these wells needs to be tested and tuned monthly to ensure proper operation and remain in compliance with EPA regulations. The current method of doing this requires a technician to physically travel to each gas well. This process does not allow for frequent gas well tuning or for instantaneous monitoring of the system as a whole. So what we have done is we have created a patentable and unique system that places all the required sensors along with an electric valve actuator on each gas well. Each unit is solar powered and completely wireless, therefore allowing a technician to view sensor data and tune each gas well all from one computer. This allows for more frequent gas well tuning, real-time full-scale system monitoring, and improved gas recovery capabilities, all of which will increase the landfill's revenue and minimize the environmental impact of landfills.
For WMW, I'm Ben Messenger. Thanks for watching.